All right, what's up everybody? So welcome back to the channel. And before we get going any further with this video, first I have to shout out to my subs because we're over 900, we're so close to 1,000. And at 1,000 subs, we are doing a giveaway for a $150 value car enthusiast box. So subscribe, check the link in the description. The purpose of today's video is a fun one. It's gonna be the first mod we've done on here in a while. And it's gonna fix a problem that isn't really a problem. So if you listen to this, it definitely lets me know it's locked, but it doesn't make a very nice noise. And I've had some cars that have made good noises. So like, for example, the 718 Cayman makes a very nice chime whenever you lock it. And today's product from Project 981 is going to move us closer to the noise that the 981 Cayman makes. And real car nerds like geek out over stuff like this. So I'm excited to upgrade this noise to something a little bit more modern sounding. And I think you guys will be too. So we're gonna fumble through this together. I think it's a super easy install. So I'm gonna try to do it one-handed. That's how easy this install is. So we're gonna go off tripod and fumble through this together and see if we can get this installed. So the first thing we need to do is open up the hood. And I'm probably gonna expose myself some here, not just for those floor mats, but for the fact that I don't know if this hood is going to stay open by itself. Ooh, those dampers are hanging on for dear life. Pop this guy off. Out she goes. Need to clean that too. Go ahead, flame me. And this is what we're gonna be swapping out. So I just need to remove one clip and one bolt, so it should be super simple. Let's go figure out what bolt size that is. I'm gonna guess it's a 12 mil, but we're gonna find out here. Okay, that's a 12 mil. Didn't grab a ratchet, so that was smart. 12 is too small anyway. Let's grab a 13 and a ratchet. Scoot. Ooh, we got a winner. Oh, there's the hood. It came down on me. Told you guys I was going to expose myself today. Let's get this unplugged first, actually. Maybe I do need two hands. Come on. There she goes. Got her unplugged. Let's finish unscrewing it. This is actually a lot harder with one hand. I should have used a tripod. And out with the old horn. Just pop that on the ground right here. And in with the new horn. Again, this product is from Project 981, and I will put the link for it in the description. Let's see how we want to fix it. Looks like that's how she wants to go. Really struggling with one hand here. Sorry about that. Drop you guys. snug her up with the ratchet. Again, one hand struggling. And it's just a little plastic piece, so we don't need to tighten it too much. We will connect our connector up to it. Easier said than done, it seems. There she goes, she's plugged in. And before we assemble everything back up, we need to give her a test. Oh, is it not making a noise because my trunks or my frunk is open? Oh, there's the beep. That sounds way better. I hope that difference comes through on camera because that has a totally different noise. But we're not done yet because no car mod is ever done until you show your wife. So she'll be coming home soon, so we'll wait until she's home and see if she even notices the difference, because I'm betting she's gonna have a reaction that's like, cool, and like won't care. So we'll get her reaction, and then that'll be a job done for today. So this mod, it runs $45 off his Etsy site, and it's honestly like a really nice mod. That is a really nice noise that comes out of there. So I recommend it highly. Like I said, link in the description here. Good mod, cheap mod, big result. Oh, no, it doesn't want to do it. One more. That is nice. I really like that. So we'll get my wife's reaction, and that'll be it for today, guys. Vanessa's just getting back now. She ran a 15K this morning, so I don't know what kind of mood she's going to be in to play my reindeer game. She's in a good mood. She's waving. We're going to get her thoughts on the new horn sound.
Hello.
Well, babe, how was your race?
It was good. It was hard.
Ran the time that you thought you would?
I
You
did.
can just hold that. You have to give me your thoughts.
Okay.
You know what we installed, right?
The horn. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, it's cute.
It's cute. Okay.
It's a cute little beat. A little like toot toot.
I said, sometimes I get a reaction that's like, cool.
No, it's cute.
No, she likes
It's
it.
quiet. It's subtle.
It's not invasive.
No. No, it sounds good.
Good run, good horn, good
All
day.
good. Good day.
That'll be it for this video.
Video.
Video. What was that? Bye.